Hello, can you all hear me? All are on mute. Can you please unmute and talk to me? Sai, Jyoti, Manasa, Shiva. Can you please unmute and talk to me? Hi, Shiva. Hi, Nageshwari.
Yes, sir. We can listen your voice, sir.
Yes, yes. Okay. Hi, Akhil. Hi, Sai. Sai, can you hear me? Can you please unmute your mic? Jyoti. Just want to interact with you. That's why. Just
Yes,
want to understand
hi,
your.
sir. We can hear you.
Yeah, just want to understand your background, like currently what you are doing. Just give a small intro about yourself, okay, so that I can start the demo. Mancha, you can kickstart, no problem. Just talk to me.
Yeah,
Feel
hi. I'm
yeah,
Mansa.
yes.
I have worked in TCS for 9.5 years and I have resigned in 2021 October. I just want to restart my career again.
Okay, so earlier on what you have worked, Manasa, like what skills you have worked.
In Oracle SQL and PL SQL and Oracle Artwell upgrade projects, I have worked from
So
development.
Oracle projects means have you worked with BA apps implementations or any other eBase, Oracle eBase?
Oh, it's EBS only, or like in SCM module, I have worked and the inventory also.
So you are good with your SQL skill, correct?
Yeah, but it's a 4.5 years break I have.
Okay, just want to refresh once again. So, okay, that's fine. I understood your
I have
requirement.
worked on BA publisher reports at earlier stages also.
Understood. Pixel Perfect. Have you worked on OBI, RPD, and analytics?
No, no,
Okay. Or Oracle Data Integrator. Have you heard?
no, I
Okay,
didn't work.
fine. That's fine. No problem. Yeah, good. Good to hear. Yeah. How about you, Sai Bhargav? Sai, can you hear me?
Sir, one second, sir. One second.
Yes, yes.
Sir, good morning, sir.
Good morning. Yeah.
Yeah, this is Sai Bhargav, working as a business analytics in research sustainability and working as a data analyst from last 5 years onwards.
Okay.
So I worked on different tools like Excel, Advanced Excel, SQL, like nothing but Microsoft SQL Service and
Okay.
Power BI.
So why you are
So
attending this demo?
yeah, basically, I worked on the Power BI and Microsoft SQL service, yes, SQL services, and along with the Azure ADF itself only. But till now, I didn't aware about the Oracle database service, Tableau, and after that, Snowflake data engineering also.
Okay, so you
So
you want to upskill yourself on Tableau,
yeah, Tableau and along with the Snowflake also.
Snowflake. Okay, got it. Because like training goes with four levels. First, we'll have so many freshers here in our training, right? First,
Yeah,
we'll
yeah,
go from scratch level SQL to advanced level SQL, which are required for our analytics purpose. Next, we
wow,
will work on Tableau, completely
yes,
Tableau end-to-end desktop tool as well as server also we will learn how to implement and push code into the server. Everything we will learn in practical. Okay, these sessions are complete practical, 98% practical. There won't be any theoretical at all. From day
yes,
one, we will, from installation onwards, we will take care in practical only. Okay.
yes, sir.
Right. Okay. When it comes to Power BI, already you had experience with Power BI, right?
Yes,
So
sir.
you need to see like how we can fit in. That's fine. You can listen to the demo. If you want, you can refer for any other people also. No problem. Yeah. Fine.
Yes, sir.
How about you, Jyoti? Hi, Jyoti. Can you hear me? Hi, Jyoti.
Yes,
Can you hear me?
yes, sir.
Yes, yes. Please go ahead.
I'm Jyoti, sir. I'm recently passed out CSC students.
Sorry?
I'm recently passed out.
You have recently passed out. Okay, that's fine.
Yes, sir.
Very good. Yeah, fine. How about you, Manasa? Manasa, I think
Mm,
you spoke, right, just
yeah,
now?
yeah. Yeah.
Okay, right. How about you, Samsung? Someone joined with Samsung. Someone joined by name Samsung?
Yeah, am
Yes,
I
yes.
audible?
Yes, I can hear you.
Yeah, myself Sudhakar. I've
Okay.
been working as a DevOps engineer. I was just looking for a other stream also.
Okay. Just want to check with you, Sudhakar, like how is the market for DevOps current? It's
Actually, it's good.
okay.
Yeah.
Currently it is good.
Yes, yes.
Okay, good. Again, you want to upskill yourself uh, on the other skills, right? Like what
Yes, yes.
we are going to get it from data analytics
We
part.
are checking with multiple streams how it is going.
Right, got it. I understood your requirement. No problem. How about you, Nageshwari?
Good morning, sir.
Yes,
So my name is Shiva Nageshwari, sir, and I have MSc Organic Chemistry qualification.
got it. Okay,
I have passed out in 2017. That
okay,
is MSc Organic Chemistry, and after that, I started my teaching career from there up to 2021.
okay.
And after that, due to the marital status, I have stopped my career from there.
No problem. Yeah, no
Like
problem. You learn from scratch level here. Okay.
uh,
Career
from
path.
there, I have the career gap, sir, from 2021.
Okay, got it.
And in between, I started just like data analytics training
Okay.
and somewhat
On what all skills you got trained?
just I have an idea on SQL. That's
Okay,
it, sir.
okay,
And
that
after that, due to some issues, I stopped in the middle only.
got
Just
it.
I have some idea about SQL.
No problem. Yeah, I
Just
understood your
that's it.
requirement.
Remaining as part of that, I don't have any idea about any technologies. Just non-IT background, sir.
No
Purely
problem.
non-IT.
No
Yes.
problem. Yeah. So fine, good. How about you, Yamuna? Yamuna, can you hear me?
Hello, sir.
Yeah,
I'm a fresher, sir.
you are a
Recently
fresher.
passed out student.
Recently passed out. Very good. Yeah, no problem. Yeah, fine. Let me brief about myself. Okay, I'm Shrikant, your data analytics trainer. Okay, I'm into IT from past 18 plus years, handling multiple business intelligence tools. Not only these tools, these are part of my so many years. Okay, so I handle with most of the development part with working with different tools. Like when it comes to the BI space, you'll have both ETL and reporting. ETL tools like Informatica, Oracle Data Integrator, Data Stage, Talent, Ab Initio, all these things falls under it. And along with that, like we'll handle Oracle-based tools like OBI, Tableau, Power BI, and connecting the cloud warehouse tools like Azure Databricks as well as using Snowflake. Everything I'll handle in my regular projects. Apart from that, from past 12 plus years, I have done around same like your batches. I have done around 1600 plus online batch trainings. Okay, so not one or two. I got trained with a lot of people got trained with me. Most of the time, 80% students will have it from US and India, both in combination. Like there'll be most of the time freshers will have experience, people 20 years experience who want to shift their career and all. The coming to training part, training starts with SQL. We'll go with the pure practical understanding. We'll be doing everyday practice and we'll be doing a lot of assignments here. This training is not like regular trainings like what you get from outside or from a video format or something else. This training is where we discuss and we work like a team. Let's say we have 10 people in our team joining for this training. We all will work like a team. If we get a project, how we work like a team, right? Similarly, will work like a team to get the task done and get the outputs. Is it clear? You all understood? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Right? Fine. Yeah. Let me share my screen. I'll just take a small intro and will go into tools and we will discuss more. Okay, right. Before I start the demo, I just want to ask you, when we talk about data analytics, we have freshers also in this session, right? This question is for fresher. Let them understand what exactly data analytics, why it is really needed. Okay, right. For that, what I can help you out with the question is, okay, who are freshers are there? We have two freshers here in this training, right? Yamuna and Jyoti, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, that's fine. Okay. Just answer. Anyone can answer. Let's say you are going for an outing with your friends, right? If you want to save your expenses, whatever you are spending in your trip, where you are going to save? Once you come back from your trip, if you want to save all the expense sheet, that means like whatever the expenses you have done with your trip, if you want to save it, where you will save? Hello?
In it.
Hello? Yes, yes. Answer. Anyone can answer. You all travel for a trip and you want to write down your expenses. Where you will write down?
Maybe in an Excel sheet.
Excel sheet. Very good. First answer is Excel sheet. Okay, good. Generally, if you go for an college and if you are attending a class, generally you will take the notes in your notebook, correct? That is also data. Remember, whatever lecturer is providing you the inputs, you are just writing down as a data in your notebook because you are going to refer it multiple times throughout that year, correct? During the exams, mid exams, and all, correct? You all agree with me? Hello. Hey, please unmute and talk to me. Okay, I'm not your professor or something. Okay, I'm just helping you all to mentor and help you out to get the skill, get upskilled. Okay, just be friendly. Okay, nothing that I'm a professor or something else. Okay, just unmute and talk to me. When you talk more, we
Yes,
can.
sir.
Okay.
It's correct.
Okay, so you all agree with me, right? So whatever the
Yes, sir.
data you note down in your notebook or in your Excel, that's a format of your data, right? Okay, remember, data can be stored into multiple formats, either in your notebooks, that's a physical data, like if you're saving your data into an Excel, it's an Excel data. If you're saving your data into an database like Oracle or Microsoft SQL Server, MongoDB or DB2, whatever it is, like that's in database level data. Okay, right. Okay. In all these formats, whenever we talk about data, when it comes to a large volume of data, let's say an organization is having a large volume of data. Have you all heard about the company Tata Motors, right? We'll take a real example. Tata Motors is one of the prominent, like very famous and very popular automobile company, correct? Right?
Yes.
Right. So when we talk about Tata Motors will manufacture different variants of vehicles like Tata Punch, like some other electric vehicles, Safari, Sierra. All these vehicles falls there into Tata Group, right? So they might have established that company in 1980s, and still date they're running the data info. They're manufacturing their vehicles, right? All the data information from past 1980 till date, it's a very huge volume of data for them, correct?
Yes, sir.
Right. When they have that large volume of data, generally organization will not prefer to save it into some Excel sheet or something else. They will try to save it into some other databases where it handles a large volume of data. Okay. And moreover, why we need a data analytics in real time? Let's talk about this. Okay. Right. You all purchase any products in your Amazon, correct? You all purchase your products in your Amazon, right? Hello. Hello.
Sales.
Yes, sir.
Right. Okay. Whenever you are purchasing some product in Amazon, let's say you want to purchase a mobile phone. Just help me out. What steps you follow in Amazon to get your mobile phone purchased? Just tell
First,
me.
we will filter the features and sort by price.
Right. First, you go in the search, you will type mobile phone, right? Then
Yeah.
in Amazon website, it will list you out all the mobile phones which are there in the Amazon site. Correct? First. Okay. Second, what will happen on the left side panel, you will go and apply the filter to filter which brand you want. Either you want Samsung, either you want Apple. Okay. In that, you will select which model you want. Again, you will apply a filter which particular color you want to filter. Correct?
Yes.
Right? You all agree? Jyoti, Sindhu, Nageshwari, Yamuna,
Yes, sir.
right? That's what we do in real time, right? Okay. Now, what happens in real time is whenever you are doing all this task from your front end, it is giving you an clear insight information about that product, okay? Which is there already in the Amazon database. That product information they are displaying in your front end for you as a user to go and select and get the checkout done so that purchase will happen. Clear? If they provide all this information in an Excel sheet, a person who don't understand the Excel reading that large volume of information and all, he cannot read it, right? If you provide them in an easy, understandable way, it is more easy for him to understand. Correct? Right? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Mm.
sir.
Understood.
Right. Okay, fine. Now, let me share my screen. Once you are able to view it, just let me know. Can you all able to see? Can you all able to view my screen?
Yes, yes.
Right. Okay. Just give me 1 minute. I think something memory issue happening on my laptop. Okay, let me clear some memory. Just give me 1 minute.
Hi all, this is Lakshmi from Career IT. Sorry for the inconvenience. Trainer laptop is getting restarted, it seems. So can you please wait for a couple of minutes? So he'll connect again. Since he has got some problem with the laptop and it is getting restarting. So please wait for 2 minutes. Thank you.
Everyone, sorry and thanks for waiting for me. Okay, can you all hear me now? Hello?
Yes,
Can you?
yes.
Right. Okay, right. Let me share my screen. We'll talk about the skills. Okay. So, there is some issue like laptop got hanged and it got restarted. Right. Okay. Can you all view my screen?
Yes.
Yes.
Jyoti, Sindhu, Yamuna, everyone, right? Okay, fine. Okay, that's what we are talking about. Like we have taken an example with data, right? Like that, if what I can explain you is, let's take Apple. Apple is an mobile manufacturing company. When it comes to mobile manufacturing company, it will have a manufacturing department, and once the product is manufactured, and sales department will take care of the sales. Can you all hear me? Is my voice is clear?
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Hello?
Yes, yes.
Right. So sales department will take care of the sales and finance department will take care of the financials revenues done from the sales point. Okay. And all the employees who work with all these departments will be connecting to the HR department. Correct? Is it clear? Hello?
Yes.
Right. Okay. Now, next, let's talk about data. Generally, we call manufacturing data as manufacturing data, manufacturing department data as manufacturing data, sales department data as sales data, finance department data as finance data, HR department data as HR data. Okay. When it comes to the storage, they might be storing if it is a less volume of data, they might have used manufacturing and stored into Excel sheet. Where if it is an sales, they might have used purchase license of Oracle and they have saved into Oracle. If it is a finance, they might have moved it into Microsoft SQL Server. If it is an HR, they might have used into an Snowflake cloud warehouse data where they don't want to have the on-premise database installed and run and maintained by them. So they might have purchased the license for Snowflake, which is a very good advanced options nowadays. It is available in the market. Okay, right. When it comes to data visualization, okay, analyzing of your data through your SQL as well as your front-end applications, the applications what we use for visualizing of our data is Tableau and Power BI. Okay, why we are choosing two tools in this training is generally in the outside market, whenever you look at tools, which tool is good and all, if you want to research, what I suggest you is there is an organization called Gartner. Okay, Gartner is an organization where they review with all the skills and technologies which are there in the market, and they're going to update their quarterly review. From 2020 onwards, this Tableau and Power BI, they are there in their quarterly review as 1 to 3 positions or fourth position or second position like that. That means like we need to understand most of the clients are interested and investing their license cost in Tableau and Power BI. That's why more jobs are available from the Tableau and Power BI platform. Why we want to learn one tool? When we have a capability of learning two tools or three tools or four tools, just learn. It's not a problem. If you learn one skill properly, the other tool you can easily master. Is it clear? Nageshwari, Yamuna, everyone, you all can hear me, right?
Yes, sir. We can.
You all understood like what I'm trying to explain you.
Yes, sir.
Right. Okay. Now let's go into SQL. First, we will see the SQL. Okay. So if you all look at my window, like I'm using Oracle database, in that I'm having HR connection. Okay. Let's say I'll just explain you why an Excel is needed. Why an Excel is needed? When you save your data in your Excel sheet, you can go to your Excel, you can double click on it and you can open it directly. Correct? You all agree with me? When you store your data information in your database, you cannot directly double click and open and view your data. Or you cannot analyze or filter your data directly. That's why we need a structured query language in our training. The base fundamental training, what we need to have it when you're working with any data is structured query language. Okay, right. So what is an SQL? SQL, which starts with a select statement. Let's say I'm having from my HR, I'm having these tables are available. Let's say I'm having an employee table here. Okay. I want to get the information out of my employee table. What I will do, I'll write a command dot select star from employees. If you see here, you can see all the employee information is available, right? You all were able to see. Manasa, Yamuna,
Yes, Bipin.
right? Right. Now, my client want to see only employees who are having salary greater than 10,000. Okay, let's write a where condition, where salary greater than 10,000. Now you can see you have a salary greater than 10,000 here. Correct? Freshers like who all recently passed out. You are able to follow?
Yes, sir.
Right, Imna? Right. Now, client want to see, and I want to see employees with a department only they belongs to 90. Okay. Then we'll use one more filter where department underscore ID equal to 90. Now what we are seeing? We are seeing employees with salary greater than 10,000 and they belongs to department 90. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yep.
Yes,
Right?
sir.
Okay, fine. The same logic, what you are doing from Amazon website is the same. First, you are trying, give me all the details from mobile phones. From the left side panel, you are going and selecting mobile brand equal to Samsung. In that, you are selecting and give me an model flip. You are selecting a tick mark from your left side, right? It is filtering in your front end. That means you need to understand the backend it is sending to its database is SQL in this format. That's why first initially of our training, we need to learn the structured query language. That I will take care and I will train you completely with hands-on. Is it clear why you need to learn structured query language?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Let's go and use our Tableau. Okay, we will try to use the Tableau as a visualization tool. Okay, now can you all able to see? This is Tableau is one of the visualization tool which I'm using here. You can see here Tableau can connect to n number of data sources. Can you able to see? Can you all able to see? You can see all 71 different data sources are currently available. You can connect to your Oracle database, Microsoft SQL Server, MongoDB, anything you can pick and you can connect. Even you can connect your data from your Excel also. Clear? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Okay, let's try. Let's import data from our Oracle. Whatever you have seen in your SQL developer, right? I'm using that data information here in my Tableau. Okay. Let's build a reporting solution using Tableau and we'll see what meaningful insights we can get using our Tableau. Right. Here. You can see here HR tables, correct? Right. Now, I want to use my employee table here. So I'm just using employee table. Right. In this employee table, I want to have my departments also pulling in data. So I'm making a join between my employees and departments. You're not writing any custom SQL here. Even we can write a custom SQL, but we have an option and a privilege to drag and drop and build the reporting solution out of our Tableau. Okay. Here, if you see, it's making a join between these two. I want to make join with department ID equal to department ID. That's done. Okay. Next, I want to use job information here, making a join between employees and jobs. This is the data model which I want to develop out of my Tableau. Can you all able to see? Hello.
Yes,
Yes,
yes.
sir.
Right? Okay. Now,
Sir,
let's
can you
go.
please, sir, sorry to interrupt. Can you please explain how you are joining, sir? We can't,
Just
able-
I'm dragging and dropping here, and here
Oh.
we have a join where you can make your join developer. Okay, join is nothing but a relationship between the two tables, which we can establish directly by selecting the list of columns available from each table. Okay.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Let's go into sheet one. Okay. First visual. Okay. Let me give it as my report one. Okay. In my report one, what I want to develop here is I want to develop a report and their employee count in each department. Okay, we have multiple departments, and I want to see employee count in each department. Okay, so I'll just apply the comment, and you can see here. Let's make it descending. Can you all able to see? You all were able to view it, correct? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Right? Okay. Now I want to make each department colored with a separate color code so that I can identify it. Accounting, dark blue color, administration. And all. Let's say I want to see how many employees working in IT. If I select this, I can see 5 employees are working with IT. Is it clear? Hello.
Yes.
Clear, sir.
Right. Okay, fine. Let's prepare report 2. Okay. In this report, I want to develop, okay. I want to see job title wise their employee maximum salary and minimum salary, which I want to showcase them as side by side bar chart. Can you all able to see? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Each department wise, it is grouping maximum salary and minimum salary, and it is showing us side by side bar. Now, if someone asks you which department is having highest maximum salary, which job title is having highest maximum salary, this one, right? Sales representative is having a highest maximum salary, correct? You're able to identify it easily, right? Rather than reading from an Excel sheet or a database, correct?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Right? Okay. Let's try one more example. I want to develop top 10 employees, okay, based on their salaries. How these top 10 employees develop a visual with a tree map. Okay, right. Now I want to filter my top 10 filter applying on my employee salary. Okay. And next I want to use, okay, salary is a label. Can you all able to see? Based on the highest salary, this block will be get defined. Okay. Even I can change the color codes. Let me build with a different color code here. Okay. Can you all able to see? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Right. Okay. Let's build one detailed report where it gives me all the informations. Okay. In this detailed report, I want to use my employee first name, last name, department name, and their job titles, their salary, maximum salaries and minimum salaries, which I want to use it as a table view. Can you all able to see? Each department wise. Correct? Hello?
Yes.
Right. I want to build a dashboard where it should be an interactive dashboard for my client, where he can go and filter and see his data. Okay, that means like how you are doing on your Amazon website, right? Like that, they want to have their data information insights on a dashboard where they want to use it like an interactive. Okay, so first I want to add my first report. I'll go and add, which is my department wise number of employee counts. Next, I want to use side-by-side salaries based on maximum and minimum salary based on each job title. Next, I want to use my sheet 3, which provides me top 10 employees. Next, I want to use a detailed report here, which provides me about all the information of my employees. Can you all able to see?
Yes.
Right. Okay, let's go and apply a filter option here. I'm going to enable the filter. Okay, once I enable the filter, you can see here, let's say I want to take IT department as a filter where it shows me 5 employees. Okay, let's select. You can see once you select this filter, which makes an interactive report showing you all from IT department who are the 5 employees. And in those 5 employees, when it comes to their job title, what is their maximum and minimum salary? Out of these 5 employees, who falls under top 10 also, it is defining. Correct? Hello? Is it clear? Hello?
Yes, it's
Hey, everyone, please unmute and talk to me. Every time I'll keep asking you, hello, you
Yes,
are able
sir.
to follow. Okay, I want everyone to make this session as an interactive. Okay, here you can see when I select purchasing, you can see all the purchasing related employees, departments, and their max salaries and minimum salaries. In purchasing, you have 2 different job titles. One is belong to purchasing clerk and purchasing manager. Correct? This is how you can make an interactive reporting for your data, and which makes an very good insight for the end users. That's why people started using this Tableau. That's why we use Tableau as in one of the data analytics purpose, analyzing your data. Your data can be analyzed like this for the outside users or the customers who want to have their reporting solution done. You understood what is the purpose of data analysis? Everyone, I want to listen from you.
Yes, sir.
Yamini, who
Yes,
all
sir.
just passed out, right? I want to listen from you. Sindhu, um, someone logged in from Samsung, right? Yamini, Yamuna,
I understood.
right? Okay.
Understood.
Let's go and see Power BI, how Power BI will help us. Okay. Let's go and get some data. This is Power BI, which is a Microsoft tool. Okay. I want to import data from in Power BI also you can connect multiple data sources, same like Tableau. Okay. The only thing is like license cost difference and the visualizations a little bit different, UI will differ, but almost like it works the same way like your Tableau. Okay. Once you learn Tableau, you can easily learn Power BI. Okay. Right. So when you go for get data, I want to get data information from my Excel. Okay. So I'll use sample superstore data. Okay, where I have orders information here. I just load this order information first. Earlier, you build a reporting solution in your Tableau using your HR data. Now Power BI we are using and developing a reporting solution using orders information. Okay, right. Can you all able to view? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Okay, right. Let's start building a report. Okay, I want to build a report where it shows me multiple categories and their sales information. Okay, and I want to display it in multiple color code, and I want to enable this with my data labels on. Can you all able to view?
Yes, sir.
Right. Okay. Next, I want to prepare a donut chart. Okay, which shows me information about okay multiple subcategories and its profits. Got it? Next, I want to prepare a line and a bar chart combination. Okay, where I want to show okay multiple categories, their sales as a bar graph and their profit as a line graph. In between, I want to uh, stack the bar based on different ship modes. Can you able to see? Can you all able to view it?
Yes, yes.
Right. Okay. Next, I want to prepare a tabular view where it shows me detailed information. Same like Tableau, I'm taking one tabular view where I want to add all the detailed information. So detailed information based on my order ID, what is the product name, which customer purchased, and which category it falls in, and what is its subcategory, what is its sales, what is its profit, what is its quantity. Clear? Is it clear, everyone?
Yes.
Right? Let's see. Suppose I want to see my technology. Technology sum of kind, you can see 836, right? Okay. If I select this, you can see the same. Everywhere it filters me the technology related information. Under technology, what all subcategories are available. Their subcategory related, technology related, what is their different ship modes with sales and profit analysis. Is it clear? Suppose if I am filtering out of this only phones, again if I select, here you can see the value 330. Here you can see phone value with 44515. The same it filters you. Clear? And it gives you all the information about what is their order ID, what product name, and which customer purchase, which category, which subcategory it falls in, what is their ship mode on different ship modes, how the analysis got spread across. Clear? ఫ్రెషర్స్ ఎవరైతే ఉన్నారో మీరు మాట్లాడండి. ఓకే, మీకు ఏదైనా అర్థం కాకపోతే నన్ను అడగండి, ఐ విల్ హెల్ప్ యూ. ఇస్ ఇట్ క్లియర్? Hello. Can you all hear me?
Yes, I can hear.
Yamuna, I cannot see the list. Can you all talk to me once, please? Nageshwari, Manasa, Akhila.
Power BI somewhat it's confusing, sir.
Power BI, like it's same like your Tableau, but UI is little bit different. Once you start learning, you will understand. You understood, right? We import the data in Power BI,
Understood, sir,
and
but how
we
you're
use
saying
Power BI purpose of analyzing your data. Same like Tableau.
okay.
Okay. But data, that means like both are two different license tools, right? Power BI is from the Salesforce, Tableau is from the Salesforce, and Power BI is from the Microsoft. Okay. During this training, I will encourage you all to do the free certification badges and all. Don't worry, like I'll prepare you, even if you are having a gap, I'll prepare you like a real-time resource. Who have a qualified certificates and all, like I'll guide you how you can get all those things. We don't want to spend money by doing all these certifications and all. Whichever we have the free source, we'll try to use those and we'll try to get ourselves strong with the technical skill set. Okay. Yeah. Coming to Snowflake, that we need a trial license where it comes with 30 days free license. We will use the trial license and we will develop an entire project moving data information into Snowflake and getting the data information into Tableau and Power BI, developing a dashboard out of it. Clear? This training takes for minimum 2+ months. Okay, more than 2 months it will take. Okay, so just every day we'll have 45 minutes to 1 hour session. I'll give a lot of assignments for you all to practice. Just we need to do the practice. Now, and the only thing, there is no shortcut. We need to do pure practical. Then only we'll be ready for our job. Clear, everyone?
Yes.
Sindhu, do you have any questions? Sudhakar, Yamuna, Nageshwari, anyone? If you have any questions, you can talk to me.
Yeah, I will ask in the last of the session if it is done.
Yeah, it is done, Sudhakar. Just ask them.
Yeah, like are you going to integrate any cloud resources like Azure or data what to say data link?
No. We won't use Azure at all. But from Snowflake, we can integrate with our Tableau or Power BI.
Okay, I think look like there will be no cloud exposure for this particular data analytics, right?
No. Cloud exposure means like Snowflake is a cloud warehouse, right? Where we will be using Snowflake completely.
Okay.
For this demo, I don't have a license.
Okay.
Okay, my trial license got expired, so I'm not able to show you the Snowflake. It works same like, see, simple, pretty simple. There is an Oracle database in on-premise. Okay, if you are using that Oracle database, you need to have a maintenance team who runs that particular backend services and all, maintain and all, and you need to have that license paid at a time, right? When you are going for an Snowflake cloud, you can pay your license paid like hourly usage, like how much time you are using that particular source or your particular warehouse, which size, like you can define your warehouse size like an size, small, excess, large and all. When it comes to once we get the license, I'll guide you everything end to end. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
And how it will be for freshers and experienced who want to go to, like who was going to opt for this data analytics?
Simple. I'll tell you one thing for everyone. Okay. Fresher, if you are learning this analytics, you can compete with 2+ years experience guys, definitely after this training. Okay. For experienced, when you are learning this, you already have an experience with the working culture and how you will work, right? So you can research more in your job once you, if you have any internal project, if you're able to move into that project, once you get into that project, you will be in a ready position to understand the requirement gathering and you can start working on to the technical development part. That assurance I can give. You won't feel something new. Once you go into job, you know, like as an experience, how you need to get the requirements from the other colleagues or other people, or reading some documents and all. Like that, you can make sure, like, yeah, definitely you can flourish with your the new skill which you are learning, and if you really move into that job.
Okay. So that means there will be openings for freshers directly for this position.
The freshers, I'll tell you. Freshers for any company you attend. I do interview for many of the IITs and IIIs. Okay, what skill for freshers people look is, first is fundamental communication. Okay, and what kind of projects they have done, what kind of practical experience they have done, whether they were able to explain logical questions or not. Okay, these kind of walkthrough sessions and all we will do during this training. Okay, I'll be giving the assignments. I'll ask everyone to do their walkthrough with their assignment. That makes fresher more freedom when they provide their resume during the interview. They will see lot of other skills where they'll have an advantage when they have 10 resumes. If your resume as a fresher, if you're providing it to the interviewer, they'll find a different skill set in your. Clear? Generally, freshers will have Python full stack or something else, correct? Right? But you are
Yes.
learning beyond that. That too in practical.
Okay.
Okay. That too not in theoretical, that too in practical. And it is commendable, after 2 months you will be able to teach one of your friend about all the skills, like what you have learned in practical. You will be ready to teach them.
Okay.
Clear?
Yes. Yes.
Yeah. Sai, do you have any question?
No, sir.
Yeah. Akila?
Hello.
Yes.
Sir, what are the topics you are providing, sir, in this data analytics course?
That career IT team will be sharing it with you, the list of
Okay.
topics. Don't go with topics. We'll do beyond the topics. Topics are
Okay.
just for marketing. Believe me.
Srikanth garu, sorry to interrupt you. Akila garu, I shared the message to you yesterday, right, along with the demo session link. You can find the content in the same message. Okay, please check once.
Okay, sir. But actually, I have the career gap now, sir. I have the chance of getting a job.
See, first of all, everyone will have a question whether we can get a job. If we
Yes.
want to get a job, then only we want to learn. First,
Ah,
come out of that particular kind of dot what you are having in your mind. Okay.
okay.
Please try to learn something. Then you go into the market and start searching. Once you get a content of learning one tool, and when you are content with one skill set, automatically, if any new skill set comes in your falls in your way, also you can easily learn. Believe me. Okay. For me, I'm just an front-end web-based developer initially of my career. After that, I've mastered around like 17 different tools or skills.
Okay.
Okay. The only thing is like learning. How we are learning is most important. Who is mentoring us is important. Clear?
Sir, this data analytics have opportunities, sir, for career gap persons also,
See,
free learnings. That is
uh,
just I'm asking.
just I'll tell you. Okay.
Ah,
When you are learning skills in data analytics is an profile. Okay. Data analyst can able to work on SQL, analyzing their data from the database. Then they can work with the tools like Tableau and Power BI. And why we are involving Snowflake also into this is to make your profile strong. If someone talks to you, you can say earlier my client used to be in Oracle practice. Currently, they only moved onto the Snowflake where they purchased the license. That's where I got an opportunity to start exploring Snowflake and start working on Snowflake. So we connected Snowflake and we have developed a project out of Tableau and Power BI. What are the advantages you have seen out of connecting from Tableau and Power BI? You are going to note down in your resume and you are going to explain. Clear? Proof of that learning is you're going to do all the free certification badges on your own.
Okay, sir.
Clear? Right. Anyone? Any other questions in the Yamuna?
Yeah, hi. Anything to do with Python? Should we learn Python also?
So,
Maybe?
Mansa, like people say, like you need Python and all, right? If you are really interested, you can learn Python. It's not a problem. But I'll tell you, like I'll handle with major clients and all. Once they started using these tools, right? In these tools, you'll not have anywhere like you need to write with Python. Even if you learn SQL, you can write your custom SQLs. But for some projects which are comes with data engineering, data engineering is a part of in data engineering project, data analysis is a part at the end. For those projects, like they will ask for Python, PySpark, these kind of skills. Because
Okay.
Azure Databricks, Azure Data Factory, these kind of licensed when they are using, people prefer to go with Python.
Okay.
It
So
all
it's not
depends on your
required as of.
project.
Okay. For this portfolio, we doesn't require Python, right? For data analytics.
Python is
So
not
if we go
mandatory.
with all these,
Python is not mandatory. I'll tell you. Okay. You have a database. Okay. On database, if you want to fetch the information from the database, generally the most preferred language is structured query language. Okay. Some people from a third party tool, they want to connect to a database and fetch that information. They use Python, writing a SQL script to the database and bring in the information. Clear? That's the need of Python there.
yeah.
So if you know Python, that will give you a little bit of added advantage. Definitely, even I want to explore more onto the Python. Even I'll get a requirements like integrating or copying the data information from here to one particular object to my database tables or something else. Then I will search or I will Google it. I'll give it for Chat GPT, my requirement. I'll get some inputs. I'll modify that. I know a little bit whatever is needed for my job. I explore that and I will prepare that script and I will run it and I will make my job done. You also can do it. It's not it's not like a rocket science. Throughout the world, if they're doing, we also can do. It's not a problem.
Okay. So it's not included in this curriculum, right?
No, it's not included.
Okay. Okay, thank you.
So I'm done from my end. If you have any questions, you can ask me, or if you're not, see you soon in the next training batch. You can get connected with Career IT team.
Srikanth, one last thing.
Yes, so that.
The tech stack that we are using out of this course is all open source, or anything we need
No,
to
I'll tell you.
apart from
So
Snowflake?
I'll tell you. So the extract for the data, right? You are asking for the development purpose, right? First, we'll use the Oracle database, transaction level data. Then I have an real-time project data dump, which generally be used for other reporting tools, which is an larger scale Oracle Analytics Cloud related data. BA apps data will be there. That we will set up on our Oracle database and we will do a dimensional modeling, which I will explain you what is a dimensional modeling, why we will get a dimensional modeling in our development work, in our work environment and all. I'll explain there. Okay. That volume of data we will do and we will do with Excel mixed of data. Okay. Even we will do the data blending from multiple sources and all.
Okay.
Okay.
Sir, excuse me.
Yes.
Sir, from your end, any job assistance you will be provided, sir, like interviews?
No, I'm here. I am here to train you perfectly, to upskill you all technically strong. Okay. If you have that questions, you can reach out to Career IT team and talk to them.
Okay.
I'm your pure technical trainer.
Okay. What is the fees, sir, for this?
That you need to reach out to Career IT team. Okay.
Oh,
You ask me any technical questions, I'm ready to answer.
okay, sir. Understood.
Any questions from anyone?
And last one, like computer configuration, what is required for this?
If you have i3 or i5 with 16 GB RAM with a space of 100 GB, it's fine, Sudhakar, no problem.
Oh, okay.
Okay. Yeah, Windows. Just we need Windows. Don't use Mac, okay? Because morning currently we have two batches running, 6 to 7, 7 to 8. Most of the students are from US. They have finished their masters, okay? They use the MacBook. Then to install Oracle database on Mac and all, it's a trouble kind of issue. Like where I cannot provide them all the data dump which I want to use it for warehouse data. That data dump I cannot provide them directly without Oracle. That's where like issues will happen. Like if you have Windows fair enough and sufficient, just travel with me for 2.5 months. I'll make you perfect with the skill.
Okay.
Clear? Yeah. I hope like this demo helped you all. Okay. You can share your feedback with Career IT team, and I just want to see you all soon in the next training. Okay.
Okay. Thank you.
Okay,
Thank you
thank
all. You
you.
all have a great day.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.